Hello, 11th class IC students. Vandana Shrivastava is here with her drama class, The Tempest, Act 2, Scene 1. Dear students, in our previous meet, we have seen how Alonso and Sebastian have been accusing Alonso for his decision of his daughter's marriage to an African king. That has led to unintentional disaster. At this, Gonzalo says that it is not the proper time to speak the truth so rudely. And now let us continue from 143rd line with the words of Gonzalo. Gonzalo says, "Had I plantation of this island, my lord." So Gonzalo says that now Gonzalo only wants to please make the atmosphere little um, easier for this Alonso so that he may not be reminded of his son. So he says that, "Had I plantation of this island, my lord, if I had the right to plant a colony on this island." So Antonio and Sebastian, as you know, they are just mocking and joking at the Gonzalo. So Antonio says he would sow it with nettle seed. Yes, if he will get the right to plant the colony, then he would sow the seeds of thorny plants. Nettle seed, it is a thorny plant. And Sebastian says, or docks or mallows. Docks or mallows are the variety of the weedy herb, variety of the wild plant. Then Gonzalo says, and were the king on it, what would I do? So Gonzalo says that if I were the king on this island, what I would do. Then Sebastian again saying, escape being drunk for want of wine. So Sebastian says that he would escape himself from drinking as there will be no wine and he will be in control. So again, mocking at Gonzalo. Then Gonzalo says, in the commonwealth I would be contraries execute all things. For no kind of traffic would I admit no name of magistrate, letters should not be known. Gonzalo says that in the state affairs of on this island, I would be contraries execute all things. I would accomplish the things. Contrary means in the opposite manner. For no kind of traffic, there will be no, would I admit, means there will be no trade and commerce. No name of magistrate, there will be no magistrate. Letters should not be known. There would be no education or learning. Riches and poverty, there will be no difference between the rich and the poor. And use of service, no cases of serving others. None, nothing will be there. Contract, no agreement. Succession, no laws of succession. Bond, boundary, there will be no boundary. Bound of land, there will be no boundary of land. Tilth means no boundaries for cultivation. Vineyard, none, nothing will be there. There will be no use of metal. Corn, grain, or wine, or oil. No occupation. People will have to not do any type of occupation. All men idle all. Means nobody would have to do any work. All the men will be free. And women too, but innocent and poor. And the women would be innocent and poor. And no sovereignty, in there will be no kingship. Everybody will be free to do anything. So at this, Sebastian says, yet he would be king on it. Actually, in the starting, Gonzalo says that if I were the king on this of this island, and in the last he says that there will be no kingship. So they are laughing at him again. So Antonio says the latter end of his commonwealth forgets the beginning. So He's laughing at him, and that in the end of his description of democracy is just the opposite what he said earlier. In the earlier he said, if I were the king on it, and then in the last he's saying that there will be no kingship. Then Gonzalo, all things in common nature should produce without sweat or endeavor. Treason, felony, sword, pike, knife, gun, or need of any engine would I not have. So Gonzalo says that all things in common nature should produce without sweat or endeavor, means the things needed for the common people will grow without anyone's effort or sweat. Treason, there will be no betrayal. Felony, there will be no crime. No use of sword, spear, use of pike means spear, knife, gun, or need of any engine. There will be no need of any instrument of warfare. Nothing. I will not permit anything. But nature should bring forth. Nature will produce everything of its own kind, of poison all abundance to feed my innocent people. So nature will produce everything in plenty of, so that all this my innocent people will be satisfied. Then Sebastian, no marrying among his subjects. So Sebastian again mocking that there would be no marriage among the subjects. Antonio, none man all idle. Yes, men will be all idle. Gonzalo, I would with such perfection govern sir to excel the golden age. Gonzalo again says that there will be such a perfection of my government. I will govern this island in a perfection way to excel the golden age, that it would carry on the golden age. Here it is the reference of the golden age means to carry on the joys and blessings of the golden age. The golden age was in classical mythology a time of perfect happiness when the god Saturn ruled the universe. So Gonzalo is saying that time will again come back. Then Sebastian says, God save his majesty. May God save this man. Antonio, long live Gonzalo. And then Gonzalo, and do you mark me, sir? Again Gonzalo is saying to Alonso, do you pay attention to me, sir? Then again Alonso is irritated and he says, Prithvi, no more, thou dost talk nothing to me. So Alonso said, please don't say anything, you are talking nonsense to me. Then Gonzalo says, I do well believe your highness, and did it to minister occasion to these gentlemen, who are of such sensible and nimble lungs, that they always used to laugh at nothing. So Gonzalo says that I do well believe your highness, I do believe you, my king, your highness, and I did all these things just to minister, just to provide occasion, opportunity to these gentlemen, means Sebastian and Antonio, means I have just provided the opportunity to these gentlemen to laugh, who are of such sensible and nimble lungs, because they have such sensitive and quicker lungs that they always used to laugh at nothing, that they can laugh at anything. They are accustomed of it, means they are familiar of this. They will laugh at anything. Then Antonio, when he hears, he says, it was you we laughed at. So Antonio is saying that it were you only, we were laughing at you only. Then Gonzalo, who in this kind of merry fooling am nothing to you, so you may continue and laugh at nothing still. So Gonzalo says that I am nothing to you in idle talk. I cannot be compared with you in the idle talk. You may continue and laugh at nothing still. You may continue with your laughing, but don't compare me with your idle talk. Then Antonio, what a blow was there given. Antonio is saying to Sebastian that what a stroke was given to him. And Sebastian, and it had not fallen flat long. Yes, and it had not been misfired. Flat long, misfired. Then Gonzalo, you are gentlemen of a brave metal. You would lift the moon out of her sphere if she would continue in it 5 weeks without changing. So Gonzalo also gets the time to say something for them, and he says that you are the gentleman of noble spirit. Brave metal means noble spirit. You would lift the moon means you would go so far as to remove the moon from its orbit. From its orbit, you have the caliber of this. If she would continue, if the moon is continuing with its movement in it 5 weeks without changing, you would be able to remove it from its orbit. Actually, moon completes its revolution in a month. So he is saying, Gonzalo is saying that you have the caliber to remove the moon from its movement of from the orbit. Then enter Ariel, invisible, playing solemn music, and then enters Ariel. He is invisible and he is playing the solemn music. And Sebastian is saying, he'll still continue. So he says that we would sow and then go a bat falling. Yes, it will be a dark night. So we will go for the bird hunting at night, catching birds at night. Then Antonio, actually this type of hunting was a very cruel method of hunting. So, and actually they are also of that type of person. Antonio says, "Nay, good my lord, be not angry." Now Antonio says to Gonzalo, "Be not be angry, sir." Then Gonzalo says, "No, I warrant you. I'll not adventure my discretion so weakly. Will you laugh me asleep, for I am very heavy." So Gonzalo says, "I assure you, warrant you, I assure you, I will not adventure, I will not compromise my discretion so weakly." Means I am not going to compromise or to take the risk of losing my reputation. Discretion, reputation. So it means I cannot show my weakness by losing my reputation. So I cannot compromise in this. Will you laugh me asleep? Means please, you, I request you, you laugh to make me asleep, for I am weary means I am heavy means I am weary, I am tired this time, so I want to sleep. Then Antonio says, "Go sleep and hear us." Yes, sir, you go to sleep by listening our laughter. All sleep except Alonso, Sebastian, and Antonio. So, dear students, today till here. In our next meet, we will go further. Till then, have a wonderful time. Thank you.